The challenges of artificial intelligence adoption by business organizations. Paper ID MR 242061758858 by Chapman Eze Nadozie. Affiliation/city Department of Computer Science, Abubakar Tattara Ali Polytechnic, Bauchi State, Nigeria. Introduction. Presently, AI is seen as the game changer for organizations' viability and enhanced productivity. However, challenges such as cost of migration, acquisition and installation, retraining of workforce, etc., abound on its adoption by organizations. This paper presentation will be critically examining the benefits as well as the challenges of AI technology adoption by organizations. Problem definition. AI is seen to be a generation next technology needed by organizations for better performances due to its laudable benefits. However, its adoption by organizations is faced with a vast number of challenges, foremost of which is the cost of acquisition and the implementation. This study is intended to investigate the benefits of its adoption alongside its challenges. Objectives of the study. Objective of the study: 1, to find out the benefits every organization that adopts AI systems stands to get. 2, to find out the challenges that organizations face while trying to adopt AI systems. Research questions. Research question 1. What are the benefits every organization stands to get through the adoption of AI systems? 2. What are the challenges that organizations face while trying to adopt AI systems? Methodology. Questionnaires were administered on 64 respondents drawn from organizations that have partially adopted AI systems. 4 questions were designed to address research question 1, while 5 questions were designed to address research question 2. Research question 1 analysis. Question 1. Is job efficiency enhanced by the adoption of AI systems? 92% says yes. Question 2. Does the use of AI systems promote cordial company-customer relationship? 79% says yes. Question 3. Is your organization making more profits than before? 86% says yes. Question 4. Is the present production output of the organization more massive than before? 83% says yes. And that is the chart. The benefits of AI systems adoption. The following benefits were established as a result of the analysis of the questions meant to provide answers to research question 1. 1. Job efficiency is enhanced by the adoption of AI systems. 2. The use of AI systems promote cordial company-customer relationship. 3. Organizations that adopt the use of AI systems are seen to be more profitable than before. 4. The organization's present production output is seen to be more massive than before. Research question 2 analysis. Question 1. Is the migration of organizations to AI systems capital intensive? 94% says yes. Question 2. Is there any possibility of some sections of the workforce resisting its adoption? 91% says yes. Question 3. Do you think some AI systems can be made to be biased? 89% says yes. Question 4. Is every AI system multifunctional in its mode of operation? 81% says no, because they are not multifunctional. Question 5. Do you think there is enough AI system skilled workers? 83% says no. And that is the chart showing the responses summary. Now, the challenges of AI systems adoption. From the questions posed in order to answer research question 2, the challenges faced by organizations are established to be the following. 1. The migration of organizations to AI systems is capital intensive. 2. Some sections of the workforce do resist the adoption of AI system by the organization they serve. 3. Some AI systems can be made to be biased, either knowingly or unknowingly. 4. There are presently inadequate AI systems skilled workers. Conclusion. AI adoption by organizations has risen significantly over the years due to the enormous benefits organizations stand to get by its adoption. These include enhancing the job efficiency of the workforce, promoting cordial relationship between the organization and its teaming customers, driving up the profitability of organizations, and enhancing production outputs timely to meet demands. The identified challenges are the cost intensiveness of migrating, especially by old organizations, to AI systems implementation, certain perceived resistances from some sections of the workforce, the perceived biasness of some AI systems, the inability of each AI system to perform diverse tasks as each is tailored to perform a specific task, and the lack of enough AI systems skilled workforce at the moment. These are the references used. Thank you.